We know that if we go to this condition right here, where we have a match, then since we're assuming that there's only one book that has an ISBN number and each book's ISBN number is unique, then we can return a response here of an empty body and then the status code of 204, and then we can return that. If we actually end up to the end of this loop and we hit this return statement, that no book was found. It's not possible that a book was found in that scenario because it would have executed in this if book ISBN matches the ISBN that was passed. In that scenario, I want to return a response, and I'm going to define that response to be from the response constructor, and I'll leave it as an empty string for now, a status code of 400, and this is the body that we're sending back to the client. And the status code should be a 404 because the resource wasn't found, because the only way a book cannot be deleted is if the ISBN does not match what we have in our current collection. Then I'm going to put the MIME type as application JSON. Let me put a / here. This is very, very similar to what we had before. And like before, I want to use a very helpful message for our clients. For this error message, I'm going to put a book with the ISBN number that was provided was not found, so therefore unable to delete. I'm going to return this invalid book object error message, and then I'm going to JSON dumps it. That way it becomes a JSON object, and then I'm going to return that response.